G2 Series 1.5 to 1.8 ton stand-on type Reach Truck. The truck applies for material handling and stacking in factory, warehouse and supermarket, particularly suitable for industries such as cigarettes and tobacco, spinning, food, printing, and so on. Overall upgrading of performance. New design of hydraulic system improves working efficiency. High power lifting motor increases lifting speed. Lifting speed without load 22% increased. Max lifting speed with load 19% increased. 3-phase AC motor technology. The truck has sensitive steering and perfect acceleration performance. The maintenance-free motor realizes energy recovery and has long service life. Optimized mast design. The truck is equipped with integrated type side shifter. Standard configuration of 3-stage full-free mast offers a max lifting height of 6,500 mm. Smart and safe. Auto brake for ramp parking. EPS, electric-powered steering. Easy, flexible, high-efficient, and silent. Auto speed limit when steering improves truck safety. Buffering for mast lifting up, reaching forward and drawing back. Comfortable and ergonomic. The cab is comfortable for operation. Accessible human-machine interface makes operation comfortable. Wide view mast. An optimized overhead guard improve operator's view. Superior displayer gives a real-time display of traveling parameters and truck condition.